Hi friends, let me show you this dimmable LED bathroom light fixture that I received for viewing purposes. It's a nice lamp for your bathroom. Let me show you. You get all the instructions, installation manual, and accessories. This is the base part that goes to the wall. These are the LED fixtures. It is dimmable. It has different light temperatures and intensities. And these are all the lamp's parts. Okay. Like this. We're going to put it together and install it so you can see how nicely it looks in your bathroom. Let's go. We already put it all together, as you can see. It's a really nice stainless steel and glass bathroom light. We are going to install it in our bathroom and you will see how nice it looks over there. Let's go. Hi friends, we installed our lighting already. So let me show you how nice it looks in my bathroom. It's a really nice lamp, a really nice fixture with stainless steel and this crystal part. Let me show you also, you can change the light temperature. You have 3 different temperatures and you can change it just turning on and off the light switch. Let me show you. That's a warmer temperature, a more yellowish color. This is warm color, and this is a bright light white color, so cold white color. So depending on how you want the mood in your room or the mood in your decoration, this lamp is great. You can use it in a restroom, but also I think you can use it in your office, in a hallway, on top of a painting, a large picture, anywhere where you want to give a nice touch with a light fixture like this one. So thanks so much. Bye-bye.